My lovely people of the internet, what's going on? This is your boy Maliga. Today, well, I guess you could consider this a part 2 to a video I made years ago. This is one of my most popular videos I have on my channel. It's actually putting garage sealer on the front bumper of my Civic. And it actually made my Civic look pretty good. So I posted, I went to go mock it up on the Skyline, and then I posted on the Skyline owners page, and I got a lot of good feedback. Posted on Instagram and I got a lot of good feedback. So consider this a part 2 to that video. If you guys want to watch that video, leave it in the top right hand corner of your screen now. Watch that first, and then you can come watch this second. So you get to see fatter, a little bit less enthusiastic Maliga put a front lip on a Skyline instead of a Civic. Man, we've come a long way. We sure came a long way. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on, and then hopefully we can make the Skyline look good. And then we're taking good steps here. We're taking really small and really good steps to make sure that the Skyline looks good. I went and I looked at a few things in the car, stuff that I didn't really like, a little bit too much rust here and there, but still, I still love the car. I still want to restore it back to its former glory. So, like I said in my previous video, this is going to be, you know, just one of those small steps of restoring the car to its former glory. So we're just gonna add a little bit of DIY, a little bit of Maliga flavor to it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So let's go outside, and that way I can show you guys what the mock-up kind of looks like. It's probably already drooping by now, but you know, it's a mock-up. That's what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to be there forever. So catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, so this is my little mock-up job. I know it's terrible. It didn't look this way when I first did it, but it doesn't look bad. I held it on with painter's tape for the time being, just to kind of see how it looked. And yeah, so like I said, part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and watch part 1 to see how I did it. And yeah, so I'm gonna put you guys here on a little tripod, and then you get to watch me put on this lip permanently.
Ryan Little.
Oh, she's all done. $20 lip doesn't look that bad on this car. I spent a lot of time simply because I don't want something cheap looking cheap on the car. I mean, it looks cheap. That's because it is cheap, but it looks good. Really happy with how it came out. Really clean. Changes the whole look of the car. So there it is. I just came back from getting some food. Decided that we'll take the car out for a little spin, make sure everything is, you know, still there, and still is. So I'm pretty darn excited about the fact that the car now looks absolutely amazing. So I got a review video coming up for the vehicle. Look forward for that, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do a few panning shots. By the way, with these clips coming up, the background music is coming from my latest EP. If you're interested in checking out my EP, send me a DM on Instagram. I'm gonna leave that down in the description. You can hit me up on Instagram. I'll send you a direct link to my EP. If you really enjoy hip hop and all that kind of style of music, I deliver. So this has been your boy Maliga. You can follow me on social media. That's down in the description below. And I'm out. Peace. Enjoy.
Mid-low.
Bitch, I'm surfing, riding sweat like Andy Irons.
Catch me on this board cause I ain't worried about you. Ride this way so sure like Duke on the Marco. Bitch, I'm surfing. Ride this way like Andy Irons. Catch me on this board and I ain't worried about you. Ride this way so sure like Duke on the Marco. Yeah, I don't know why everything's stacking testing me. It's smart considering whack is the only thing that they'll ever be compared to me. You can't even sniff the things I gotta eat, calling my pedigree, cause I'm a dog when I'm chowing down on this recipe. I'm the MC, you just rest in peace. Thanks to all my day one, two